How to improve an overexposed image from this to this in Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop, new adjustment layer and select levels. Here we can alter our shadows, our highlights and our midtones. Move your midtones to the right to increase the detail in the overexposed areas. Don't worry about affecting the dark areas for now. Alter your shadows and highlights if you feel necessary. Double click on the layer, go down to Blend If and Underlying Layer. Press the Option key on Mac, click to break the anchor and drag fully to the right. Make any alterations to the left-hand anchor you feel necessary. Here we can see the effects being removed from the dark areas. Back in the levels, make any minor refinements you feel necessary to bring out even more detail in the overexposed area. Here is the before and after. And there you have it, you've successfully corrected an overexposed image in Photoshop.